Welcome back to the final part 6 of tonight's August 22nd Toast and Post. Thanks for hanging with me. It's been a long day since about 4:30 this morning. Last but not least, Super Carry, Devlin's Minion, Nancy N.T. Watts, hello rookie, Coop Kitten, H. Chris Hall, regulator extraordinaire, Kate Tochi 66, Flurry Lover is saying cheers to Lincoln Grimes. Noel 7575 is out there. C. Grendy 3 is getting ready to do or she's getting ready to douse her mom with ice water for the ALS Bucket Challenge. The Lady Blood, can't wait to buy some of those flasks, give them away to future guest hosts. The Guerriere, good to hear from you again, aka Shoot Fetish Diva. Gordo Clark Jr. is out there somewhere on this Friday night, and a special shout out to Troy Duffy, Angela, and Baby Grace, who just turned 1 year old recently. Pop Rocks and Coke, go Red Sox. Cindy Lou 40, B-Flow Style 502, Lady Mad, how you doing, Lady Mad? Cooper Natural 67, did we mention Cooper Natural 67 graduated from nursing school? I don't know if it was last week or last couple of days, but congratulations. We had a great nurse today for Anne, and I really value good nurses. They're so important to the industry, so good luck with your career, Cooper Natural 67. Howell Saya says happy birthday to her little brother. Happy 21st birthday to Howell Saya's little brother. Ricky Freak. Duck Wrangler, Lounge Flight 25, Sweetie 5512. Max Leonida, my good friend, is out there right now location hunting for a music video he's shooting. JK Livin, late check-in, but we got you. Doublicious Jan, rookie showing love to her bitchin' Dixon's girl. Well done, Doublicious Jan. And what else? Even though I didn't hear from her today, ex-Quack Sammy from Australia. Was that it? We're good? We still good? All right, cool. Well, then that was it. Let's just close this puppy out. Thank you all for joining me on this Friday night. It's going to be a great weekend. And be safe out there. Be kind to each other. And Carpe Noctem all.